students, this is Dr. Tarishi. I have just completed my MBBS from Lady Hardinge Medical College. And like you all, I also saw the dream to become a doctor. So I took the biology in class 11th. But to crack the NEET, we need hard work and the proper direction, which I think has been shown to me by DM sir. The best thing I like about his classes was that first of all, he used to teach us with a pen and a board and make our concepts clear. And then he used to show us the videos through the smart class. And we all know that the pictures have a great impact in our brain. Similarly, when I was doing the paper of NEET, I was having the classes rewinded in my mind, and the special points which the sir told were also getting rewinded in my mind. So, which I think is an incredible quality of sir. So, without any doubt, you can trust DM sir for biology. And you can thank me later. All the very best to you all.